guys, today I'll be doing a wig reinstallation, but I will not be using glue. I'll be using the Ebin Holding Spray. I'll be using this spray for the first time to see how well it holds. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so I've gone ahead and done my ball cap method. It's very hot, so the cap just doesn't sit well on my head, and a lot of times I don't like to do the ball cap use the ball cap method anymore because I don't want that glue running away with my edges. All right, so here I am using the melting spray, and this is the red bottle. So this is the extreme hold. This is the active extreme hold. All right, so I guess the active spray is for athletes, people who are using like sweating a lot. All right, and I'll definitely be sweating a lot because it's very hot here, so I decided to use this spray. All right, so I've gone ahead and sprayed my edges, guys. It was taking me a while to get the wig to lay on my head with just the spray. All right, so I went ahead and I left it. I tied my edges down to see how well it will hold after that. I have the fan on me, as you can see my hair blowing. For this style, I wanted to do a side part, but I'm really not a side part girl, so I moved back to my center part. I'm now just flat ironing the hair. Can't wait to see if the wig will hold or if I'd have to revert to using glue. But I am now just flat ironing the hair. As I said, that this is a reinstallation, so I have installed the wig before, and so baby hairs and all of that's they're already in place. So I'm just right now just flat ironing the hair, and because this is just a reinstallation and I'm just testing the glue, the melting spray, well, this is not the melting spray, it is the holding spray. This video is gonna be very short, so I go ahead with my wax stick and I am just trying to get my hair, well, the wig flat. All right, you don't want to have wiggy vibes, even though it's a wig. So try your best to do whatever you can to make the wig look natural, and that's one of the steps that I am ensure that I do not miss when I'm doing a proper install. All right, so this is how the wig is looking after removing the edge band. As you can see, it's not firmly in place. It is good. It was moving a little bit though, so I am gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a little bit more, and as soon as I'm in somewhere that is cooler, I am expecting for the wig to lay all right on my head. Okay, so guys, like, this is me talking after the installation. The spray, the holding spray, it is very good. You do not have to use glue with the spray, because this is a temporary style. I didn't do it for like a week install. If that was the case, then I'd go ahead and use glue, but I don't keep my wigs on for the night. I take them off at the end of the day, so it's beneficial to me to use the spray rather than the glue. All right, so I think the glue is very good. I could not believe the hold that it has. I cannot believe the hold that it has. It is better than the Got2b spray for me, because with the Got2b spray, I usually have to use the gel and then use the spray, but with the Ebin, I just go ahead and use the spray, and as soon as it cools down, it was good on my head. And when I was spraying it too, it felt so tacky. Listen, so I knew that it would hold the lace well on my head. All right, so I'm gonna go back with the styling. I'm just doing a little braid. I'm trying to get the butterfly effect from the braid, so I'm doing the braid very loosely, and then I'll go ahead and pull on the braid after doing the braid. After making the braid, so as to get the butterfly effect. All right, and that's why I really wanted to do the side part with this style, because I wanted to do the braid. It would have looked better with the side part, but no worries, it still looks okay. Just like it would have looked better with the side part. I'm almost at the end of the video, so just keep on watching, guys. As I said, the spray is very good if you want an alternative to the Got2b glue or any other holding glue. Then this is a great alternative. I'm gonna go ahead and get the melting spray. I got this holding spray at my beauty supply store. I saw the melting spray on Amazon, so I'm gonna get that because listen, when I use this spray, it's the first I've seen my wig, my lace lay so flat. Guys, usually my lace is lifting even after applying the glue, but this did very well. Look how I'm talking to the end of the video. So guys, this is how the wig turned. This is how it turned out. As I said, when it cools down, it will look good. Trust me, guys. I think that this is a good alternative, and I'll be using this so much more. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl for more videos like this one. Bye.